Hey, this is Anthony with RevZilla TV, and welcome to our brief graphic overview of the new, for fall 2011, Shoei Qwest Passage color scheme on this helmet. Now, for those of you that know the Qwest, it is a touring helmet. This is my favorite new colorway on this helmet. When I say it's a touring helmet, it means the ventilation and balance are designed for upright riding. It's a little bit wider through the temples, so it's a little bit more of a neutral fit compared to the R1100 or X12, which are a little bit more pronounced front to back. Remember, watch our full detailed breakdown of the Qwest at RevZilla.com on any Qwest page or on RevZillaTV.com, which is our YouTube channel. But for this video, I just want to kind of give you a good high-res look at this very cool matte black and red graphic from Shoei. If you have any questions about the Qwest, where it falls into the helmet lineup or what it compares to, shoot us a line. See us at RevZilla.com or 877-792-9455. And remember, watch that Qwest detailed breakdown to understand the technicality, the fit, and the features of why a Qwest could work for you for your typical style of riding. As always, it's over $39. It's going to ship for free. If you get the wrong size, send it back. We'll exchange it for free. If you just don't like it, send it back in brand new condition. We'll happily give you 100% back to your card with no restock fee as long as you send it back new. And as always, anything over $100 here at RevZilla.com earns Team Zilla cash to be applied to your next order, which is our way of saving you money by continuing to shop with us. Thank you for watching our brief graphic overview of the Shoei Qwest Passage colorway, available at RevZilla.com/Shoei. I'm Anthony. We'll see you next time.